Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. In the last video that you guys watched, you saw us build our feed room, which I'm super excited about. We still have some finishing touches to do on there yet. So it's not quite finished, but almost. And I can't wait for it to be done. But today we are working on the rest of the carport. We're going to be closing off those last 3 open sections between the 4x4s. And this will give my husband a place that he can park away his Ranger. And then I'm also going to do a wood storage area inside there. Yeah, let me show you guys. So here is our carport, and the feed room is at the back there. We still have these 3 sections here that we want to enclose, which I'm going to be working on today. And then my husband's truck, this is the bed of it. The truck's over there. But once it's put back together, it's going to fit here. And then in this walkway here in the back corner, I'm going to put a wood storage area for all of my miscellaneous scrap pieces of wood that I like to keep for other projects. So today we're going to be making the 2x4 framing for these open areas on the carport so that we can close those in. And then eventually he's going to put doors on the front and just make it a completely enclosed part of our garage. So first things first is getting our lumber all measured and cut, and then we can assemble the framing for the wall, and then we can get them installed. So we just finished putting the framing up for the wall, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be using to close in that spot. So we found these shipping crate panels on Facebook Marketplace, and they have like the 1/4 inch, I'll show you this one, the 1/4 inch plywood on the side, and then some 1x trim, and we figured that would be perfect as siding. Plus it was only $2 a panel, so it was cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and carry this over and then start installing it on the framing. Alright guys, so I had to take a break the other night and go get dinner started, and I didn't get a chance to wrap up the video, so let me show you our carport that is all closed in now. So here it is. We ended up using 3 of those shipping crate panels that we purchased, and it turned out pretty good. We do still have this corner here. We need to finish building this out on this end and then closing that off, and then my husband will eventually put doors on here so that we can close this up and use it as another garage port for his Ranger. The only other thing left to do on this is give it a coat of paint. I haven't quite decided how I want to paint it yet. I know we're gonna do red and white like the rest of the garage, but I haven't decided if I want to paint these middle one bys white or paint them red. So it's something that will just need to be done before winter. It's not a huge priority right now, so I've got some other projects that I need to work on before I tackle the paint job on this. So that pretty much wraps up this project, with the exception of doors on the front and a paint job. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. it's nice to have it completely enclosed now. So all we have to do is like clear it all out, and well, that'll happen with time. So alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.